Deep within the Pacific Northwest lies a place of profound beauty and historical significance. This region, known for its dense forests, rugged terrain, and breathtaking coastline, holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. One such secret is SGang Gwaay, a small island that is a treasure trove of history and culture. This island is part of the Gwaii Haanas National Park Reserve, a place where nature and history intertwine seamlessly. The lush greenery and serene landscapes hide the remnants of a once thriving civilization. SGang Gwaay is not just any island, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its cultural and historical importance. The village here is adorned with totem poles that tell stories of the past. For the Haida people, this island is sacred. It is a place of reverence where their ancestors lived and thrived for centuries. The Haida's rich traditions and customs are still alive today, passed down through generations. The Haida's connection to this land is profound. Their ancestors built a community here, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire and educate. The village stands as a testament to their resilience and cultural richness. Walking through the village, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The totem poles, with their intricate carvings, stand tall as guardians of history, each one telling a unique story of the Haida people. Reaching SGang Gwaay is an adventure in itself. The journey involves navigating through the ruggedly beautiful landscapes of the Canadian Pacific coast, a voyage that is as thrilling as it is scenic. As you travel by boat, the stunning coastal scenery unfolds before you. The rocky shores, dense forests, and crystal-clear waters create a mesmerizing backdrop for your journey. As you approach SGang Gwaay, the island emerges from the mist like a verdant paradise. The lush greenery and serene atmosphere make it seem like a place untouched by time, a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Stepping ashore, you are greeted by an eerie silence broken only by the sound of the wind whispering through the ancient cedar and spruce trees. The air is filled with a sense of mystery and wonder. This is a place where the past whispers on the breeze, inviting you to listen and learn. The untouched landscape, with its ancient trees and serene beauty, offers a glimpse into a world long gone but not forgotten. SGang Gwaay is more than just a destination. It is a journey through time, a chance to connect with the history and culture of the Haida people, and an opportunity to experience the profound beauty of the Pacific Northwest. The Haida people have called this archipelago home for over 10,000 years. Nestled off the coast of British Columbia, the Haida Gwaii archipelago is a place of breathtaking natural beauty and profound cultural significance. The Haida have thrived here, developing a rich and complex society deeply intertwined with the land and sea. They are renowned for their artistry, seamanship, and deep connection to the natural world. Their art, characterized by intricate carvings and bold designs, tells stories of their ancestors, their beliefs, and their environment. The Haida's skill in navigating the often treacherous waters of the Pacific is legendary, and their canoes are masterpieces of both form and function. The Haida were skilled hunters and fishermen. They relied on the abundant resources of the sea and forest, hunting sea mammals, fishing for salmon, and gathering shellfish. Their knowledge of the local ecology was unparalleled, allowing them to sustainably harvest food and materials for thousands of years. They built large, sturdy canoes to navigate the treacherous waters surrounding their islands. These canoes, carved from single cedar logs, could carry up to 60 people and were essential for travel, trade, and warfare. The craftsmanship involved in creating these vessels was passed down through generations, a testament to the Haida's ingenuity and skill. They were also master craftspeople, carving intricate designs into wood, argillite, and silver. Their totem poles, masks, and jewelry are not only beautiful but also imbued with deep cultural and spiritual meaning. Each piece tells a story, whether it's a family history, a mythological tale, or a representation of the natural world. SGang Gwaay, also known as Ninstans, was once a thriving Haida village. Located on the southern tip of Haida Gwaii, it was a place of great importance, both culturally and economically. The village was a hub of activity, with people engaged in daily tasks, ceremonies, and social gatherings. It was home to hundreds of people who lived in cedar plank longhouses. These longhouses, built from the abundant cedar trees, were large communal living spaces that housed multiple families. They were not just homes, but also places of storytelling, teaching, and cultural transmission. The village was a center for trade, ceremony, and social life. The Haida traded extensively with neighboring tribes and even with distant communities, exchanging goods such as fish, furs, and crafted items. Ceremonies including potlatches were central to Haida social structure, reinforcing community bonds and redistributing wealth. But in the late 19th century, tragedy struck. The arrival of European settlers brought profound changes to the Haida way of life. Along with new goods and technologies came diseases to which the Haida had no immunity. Disease, brought by European settlers, ravaged the Haida population. Smallpox, in particular, had a devastating impact, wiping out entire villages and reducing the population by up to 90%. The loss of life was staggering, and the social and cultural fabric of the Haida was forever altered. SGang Gwaay was abandoned, its people forced to leave behind their homes and their ancestors. The once thriving village became a ghost town, a poignant reminder of the resilience and endurance of the Haida people. Despite these hardships, the Haida have persevered, continuing to honor their heritage and rebuild their communities. SGang Gwaay is a place of breathtaking natural beauty. Towering Sitka spruce and western red cedar trees cloak the island in emerald green. These ancient forests are alive with wildlife. Black bears forage for berries and salmon. Bald eagles soar overhead, their piercing cries echoing through the trees. The shores teem with marine life. Sea otters frolic in the kelp forests, while harbor seals bask on the rocks. The air is clean and fresh, carrying the scent of salt air and cedar. The silence, broken only by the sounds of nature, is both eerie and exhilarating. It is a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world. Section 4 Totem Poles, Silent Storytellers of SGang Gwaay. Standing sentinel over this deserted village are the remains of its former inhabitants. Totem poles, some reaching heights of over 30 feet, rise from the earth like ghostly guardians. These poles, carved from massive cedar logs, are more than just art. They are the stories of the Haida people, etched in wood for all time. Each figure on a totem pole represents a clan ancestor, a mythical creature, or an important event in Haida history. The eagle represents power and wisdom. The raven symbolizes creation and trickery. The bear embodies strength and protection. These totems are not just objects, they are living memories, connecting the Haida people to their past. Section 5. Preserving a Legacy, the Guardianship of SGang Gwaay. This chapter delves into the efforts and dedication involved in safeguarding the rich cultural and natural heritage of SGang Gwaay, an island that holds immense historical significance. Today, SGang Gwaay is protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This prestigious designation was granted in recognition of the island's exceptional cultural and historical value, which is of universal importance to humanity. This designation recognizes the island's outstanding universal value. The intricate carvings on the totem poles and the unique Haida artwork are testaments to the island's rich cultural heritage and the artistic prowess of the Haida people. It also highlights the importance of preserving its cultural and natural heritage for future generations. Families and children visiting the island have the opportunity to learn about the Haida culture and the significance of the natural landscapes that have been protected for centuries. The Canadian government and the Haida Nation work together to manage and protect the site. This collaborative effort ensures that the island's cultural and natural resources are preserved through cooperative management activities and cultural ceremonies that honor the traditions of the Haida people. They ensure that visitors can experience its beauty and significance while respecting its fragility. Informational signs and guided tours by Haida watchmen help educate visitors on the importance of preserving the island's delicate ecosystem and cultural heritage. The Haida Gwaay Watchman Program plays a crucial role in protecting SGang Gwaay. These dedicated individuals patrol the island, educate visitors, and live on the island during the summer months to ensure its protection. These individuals, descendants of the original inhabitants, live on the island during the summer months. They engage in traditional activities and maintain a presence on the island, which is vital for its preservation. They act as guardians, sharing their knowledge and culture with visitors. Through cultural demonstrations and interactive tours, the Watchmen provide visitors with a deeper understanding of the Haida way of life and the significance of SGang Gwaay. They also work to preserve the site's physical integrity, ensuring that the totem poles and other structures are protected from the elements and the passage of time. Restoration work is a continuous effort, as the Watchmen meticulously maintain the cultural structures to safeguard them for future generations. The Watchmen also perform traditional songs and dances, inviting visitors to participate in cultural activities that foster a deeper connection to the island's heritage. As the sun sets over SGang Gwaay, the legacy of the Haida people continues to thrive, thanks to the unwavering dedication of the Haida Watchmen and the collaborative efforts to preserve this invaluable site. Section 6. Experiencing SGang Gwaay, a journey through time. Visiting SGang Gwaay is a privilege. It is a chance to step back in time and experience the power and artistry of one of Canada's most fascinating cultures. The journey begins in Sandspit or Queen Charlotte City, the main gateways to Gwaii Haanas National Park Reserve. From there, visitors can join guided tours operated by licensed tour companies. These tours typically involve boat rides through the stunning scenery of the archipelago. They include landings at SGang Gwaay and other culturally significant sites. Visitors can explore the village, marvel at the totem poles, and learn about the history and culture of the Haida people from knowledgeable guides. Section 7. SGang Gwaay, a bridge to cultural understanding. SGang Gwaay is more than just a tourist destination. It is a place of learning, reflection, and reconciliation. By visiting this extraordinary site, people from all walks of life can gain a deeper understanding of the Haida people. They can appreciate their art, their history, and their deep connection to the land and sea. SGang Gwaay stands as a powerful reminder of the importance of cultural diversity and the need to protect the world's heritage. It is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring power of culture to connect us to the past, present, and future.